Hello, this is another recording of some Python codes I had to write to generate some insight on a European IT salary survey. That's the workers of EU salary, just to find out those who are earning higher. So I ran my models, and then at this point, I had to bring my file to start running, and I titled it as data at this point. And I've been able to read my data, and I have 1,000 data.shape gave me 1,253 rows by 23 columns. So in total, I have 28,819 data to deal with here. So data.ed gave me just the top 5 information on the data I'm accessing, just to see what it looks like. And I have a lot of columns, about 23 of them, which we would have to dive into shortly. So I've changed my time data type from timestamp to real date. So it gave me this, and then I had to bring down my data to be sure if it ran successfully, and that was a success. Yeah. Okay. So I had to copy my data again, and I had to rerun it. At this point, I had to just index it and rename. So this code was run to find out the highest employee, that's the city with the highest employee. And I discovered from the data that Berlin has the highest employee, the highest IT employees are in Berlin, followed by Munich, Frankfurt, and the list from the top 10 I had selected was Karlsruhe, which is here on this bar with just a count of 6. So the top 3 ranked EU city with highest employees: Berlin with 681, Munich with 236, and Frankfurt with 44. So I needed to dig deep again into the data, and I discovered that, okay, I need to check salary by age. And I discovered that the highest salary, the age wasn't provided, but at age 29, I had someone receiving about 500,000 and more. So this is giving us the data. The highest we have is here, which is darker, and the list is shown here, which is this 20,000 Berlin. Okay, so this is showing us proper age 69. It's giving us total years of experience for persons working at Stuttgart. We have 383 in total, and persons within the age of 50, we have 29 of them still working, and the salary is 28,800 euros. There's a lot to dive deep into, but we should just stick to this. The highest is 69 for the age, and they were working in 2020. So over here, I have to run the code again to discover 2021, and those aged 44 are earning $20,000, $200,000, and age 52 has the least, is lower than this age. So we can actually say the guys within age 45 has more experience. So they have the highest payment and salary under the IT workers. Okay, and I have to run some other codes. Okay, this is giving us a detailed information still on their age. I'm going to show us something quickly. Good. So all counts for people using programming language. We have, these are the number of programming languages we have. We have Java, Python, PHP, C++, and all. Java having 184 counts, Python 164. So the main technology they use, Java, Python, and all. Java is ranked high because it has highest score. That's highest number of usage. Okay, this is also part of my data, but I really want us to just see the visuals because that would help us. So this is still reflecting the count of programming languages used and the highest. So Java is still 184 and Python 164. Okay, so quickly, I want us to see the top 10 programming languages by this bar chart here. So we can still see Java ranked high. The list is actually Kotlin with just a count of 22. And a scatter graph to show it as so. This is scatter graph. So by just seeing it, you can know the list is this and the mid. Some persons still use JavaScript, but it's not as used as Python and Java. Then PHP closer to JavaScript, C++, C Sharp, then Scala, Swift, Go, and Kotlin are on the same range. So this Scala scatter chart is able to help us see this. Okay, quickly, I need us to see something interesting. So for those IT workers that are receiving 30,000, we have 110 of them receiving this. And those who are receiving about the highest amount, age 29, we have 86 of them receiving the highest amount in salary. So this is able to show us this gradient map is able to show us the highest salary earners by age. And this also, this line plot is showing us the highest still here within age 40, 25, 35 to 40. Okay, so we need to see the number of those who have lost their job due to coronavirus outbreak. About 63 lost their jobs and 1,162 in IT didn't lose their jobs. They still retain their jobs. So IT job is quite secured regardless of the COVID outbreak. And then the numbers of companies that use that into IT, we have the product companies with 760, startup with 252, consulting agency 146. So quickly, I need to show us number of gender type and count. So for male IT workers, we have 146, and female IT workers 192, and 2 wasn't indicated. Thank you for seeing this with me.